Put the camera on, push it in, push the clip up. Here you can adjust how you move, tighten it. Okay, to remove it, move the clip down. The little flap here, help you remove it so easy. Test on how far the view angle of this camera is. And that's the camera. My tape measure. Camera to the mirror around 7 inches. There's the left side of the windshield. Right side of the windshield. I'm doing a review of a Yi dash cam model number 5505. That's what the dash cam look like. And it's plugged in. And it came with the camera, the cable, car chargers, and this one hold the camera to the on the windshield, and it's like it's the hole right there, and this one right here, and do it like this. Then you hold it on the windshield. Okay, and this dash cam has 2.7-inch LCD displays. Has a wide angle of 165 degrees, and has SD card slot right there. And I put a 64 gig on it, and the book said it only 32 gig. Using it for 2 years, no problems. The camera can hold 64 gig SD card, not like what it said 32 gig on the book. This is for recording, especially for urgent recording. When we urgent recording, it will record the clip and will not be replaced when you run out of memory on the SD card. The only way to erase it is to take the SD card out and erase it in the computer. And then this button is to pause recording up there. And this button shows the menu of the pictures. And you see, like, you can look at any picture you want. Let me show the picture of the driving. So you can see any picture, reviewing any video you want. Of course, I don't want to trash it. So going back. And this is the setup menu. First one is the that one. Show you the resolutions. See that? You can change different resolution. 3720 times 1280 with 30 floating point. The higher the floating point is, the the pictures in the video. This is high resolutions. This is high floating point. And there's different resolutions. And if you get to 60 floating point, you can record up to 5 hours. Okay, next one. The mic. Like when you record your conversation while you're driving, and turn it on and turn it off. And then next is to this is the sensor. G sensor means how you want the sensor be medium, high, or low. The low means when you hit a bump, it will not do an emergency recording. But when you go to high, wherever your car there's a bump, it will start an emergency recording. And I usually set it to medium. Like when you get into a crash and it will do emergency recording, those files will not be erased until you manually erase it. This is the LCD off, meaning when you are driving, after 1 minute the LCD will turn off. So I usually like to keep it on. So I like to look at the LCD while I'm driving. And let me show you how this works. Okay, you can set to 1 minute. See, this is how that works. So if you keep it on all the time, it will just keep showing the recording screen. Like this screen, it will keep showing this screen, and it will not turn off the screen and show the time and the date. Okay, then go to next. This ADAS, it stands for Advanced Drive Assistance System. When you are driving and if your car moves out of the lane, it will tell you your car moved out of the lane. And when you are driving too close to the car in front of you, it will tell you you're driving too close. And it's annoying, so I'll turn it off. I don't need that kind of features. And this is the best feature is the Wi-Fi on and off. And I turn it on all the time because it can connect the Wi-Fi on my phone and I can download any picture I want and any video I want. SD card. No, I don't want to delete. Cancel. And you can put the SD card right there. Next one. The reset. Nope, not resetting my device. Next one. Clock. Time. Date and time. So you can adjust the date and time here if you want. I already set my time, so I don't need it. The standby clock displayed, and that's what the standby clock displays I showed earlier. When you start recording, and it will show you the time and the date instead of a black screen. Sound on and off, so I can put it off and you don't see. Power sound and off, so if you turn it off, watch. Unplug it. Doesn't have any sound. Inside has a little battery that holds. See, unplug it back in. No sound. So you have to turn it on, watch. When I unplug it, see that? And put it back. See the sound when it's off and on, so to let you know sometimes when the power cable disconnected, then at least you know it's off when you're driving. And this is button sound on and off. If I turn it off, I don't hear any sound when I hit the button. So I keep that on all the time, so I know I hit a button. Driving report on. Now this is drive time. Acceleration, brakes, drive times. And this is give you the info. Okay, see the Wi-Fi is on. It's connected to the camera. That's the model number, and hit connect. See, now it's connected. So wherever you show, you show in the camera. Album. See all the pictures. For example, I want to watch one of these. And you can download it, and you can delete it. And give the info. It's a loop video, created time. There's a file information. So give all the album and setting. Choose media to share. I didn't have any media to share, so no file. And go to setting. Basically, the setting is replacing the manual setting on the camera. You can use your phone. You can change the resolutions to which one you want. I'll just put the first one. That's fine with me. Audio. So I want my audio on when I'm driving. So record my audio. The G sensor I put on medium because I don't want every bump to record as an emergency recording. Timestamp. Put the time on your video. Logo like watermark. Put E on your watermark. EDS. Driving assistant. No, I don't want the telling me I'm changing lane or getting too close to the car. Give you the firmware. Wi-Fi and LCD, I want to keep it all LCD off. So I will on my LCD on, standby time on and off, startup sound, key sound, driving report. And then you can format your SD card. I don't want to format it. So when you hit Wi-Fi, that's where you decide your password.